Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on your Windows 11 system. So in the first step, go to search bar and simply type your PowerShell. Then select it and right click on it, run as administrator. After that, on this window we need to paste some commands. You will get all these commands in the description below. Simply copy it and paste it here with this way and press enter to execute this command. So it will take some time to complete the process. Wait for it. Once done, close this window and move to the next one. Go to search bar and simply type your PowerShell. Again open it with run as administrator. Now we need to paste the command again and execute it. So once done, close this window. Then go to search bar and type cmd, right click on it and select run as administrator. Now select S. Now type sfc space /scannow and hit enter. This will take some time to complete the process. After that, close this window and again go to search bar, type cmd, right click on it and select run as administrator. Now type net user circles password 5 space /add. Then type this command, the second one, net local group administrator circles /add and hit enter. Then type exit to close the command prompt window. Restart your system and your problem will be solved. That's it guys, you're good to go.